Afternoon, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Yachts, MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're on board a rare opportunity, 2024 Aviara 32 Outboard. First thing you're going to notice is we have twin black Mercury 300 Verados. Now, currently the boat is in Skyhook feature, and we'll go into that when we get to the helm, but it's a really, really neat feature to kind of make it a lot easier for you to handle the boat. One person coming up to a marina, waiting for your lift, whatever you need to do. Along the transom here, we have a beautiful aft seating configuration here. We do have what they call stadium style seating. So if you're at the sandbar, you're watching a concert, you can come back here, sit a couple deep, you can go a couple different heights. Awesome overhead shade here. This black extension shade covers the entire aft of the boat. All the seating back here we have. So as we move forward, one of the first things I'm going to point out, because I love this and it's the stupid things that I like, fender holders. 4 fender holders right here on the walkthrough. Awesome feature. I think it's well worth bringing out. So what you're going to notice when you come in is a very beautiful contemporary styling that we have here. L-shaped seating along the port side. We do have a spot for a table. Now this is actually a cool texture, so it does stay cool in the sun, and it's a really, really neat design that they have here. Over here on the starboard side, you're going to notice we have cooler storage. Also, along the port side, there's an additional cooler storage hidden. And then you have a really nice wet bar feature here, sink, storage, anything you really wanted to set up, trash underneath. And then, one also feature here that you're going to notice, which is only the Aviara's, massive hardtop here. Look at the height of this. You probably have at least 7 feet. Being 5'10", I don't really hit my head on anything. So as we move up to the helm, you're going to notice a really neat coordination here of design. You have your Simrad screen in the middle. You have an additional Simrad screen, a smaller one, 9-inch off to the right. And then you also have the full vessel controls. Now this is basically a smart boat. Everything is completely controlled for here. You can do your lighting features. We can toggle any color we want, whatever we're doing, St. Patty's Day parade, Christmas lights, whatever you need. You have your auto tabs here for your trim tabs. A really neat feature here is a phone charger that you put your phone in and charge, and then your throttles, and then your Skyhook and your joystick controls for the motors. Automatically incorporated is going to be your Skyhook and also autopilot. Also a really, really neat feature. Again, stupid things I love. Cooling cup holders, only for the captain. Awesome feature here. So also what you're going to notice here is they have a beautiful vacuum flush head. Very, very large area down here. Great for changing. A lot of storage down there as well. As we walk forward, one thing you're really going to notice about the Aviaras is the gunnel height. This is above my belly button. Very, very nice. Great for kids to be able to get around the boat. Large V-shaped seating here, at least seating for 4 or 5 people. We do have a table we can put up here. And again, access to the windlass controls. Once again, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater on a brand new 2024 Aviara 32. Come on down, get yourself an early Christmas present.